Hi guys, it's me Ransel and we're here in the airport right now because we have a 6:45 flight going to Boracay. So let's go. Boarding time. Let's go.
Morning, sir. Welcome aboard.
Wow, kaunahan tayo. So 14. So window tayo guys. So sa Katiklan Airport. So pupunta naman tayo ng port. So may sasakyan na tayo doon. So let's go. Ito na pala yung sasakyan namin. So, tayo sa Tambon Port Terminal sa Katiklan. I think ito yung sasakyan natin. Or dito tayo sasakay papunta mismo sa beach. So let's go. Buti na lang mainit.
Okay, pasok lang, pasok.
Tourist entrance. Hi. Saan ka ba? Boarding na tayo. So sasakay na natin ng bangka papunta sa mismong island ng Boracay.
Southwest
Ayan.
gilid lang po. Southwest passengers, gilid lang tayo. Ma'am, sir, dito.
Let's go.
Tapos na nakapolo. Hi
Okay.
guys! Welcome to my vlog! Our vlog! Barangay vlog! Mga wawi ba? Barangay Piu Piu Piu! Piu Piu!
So guys, yun yung bangkang sasakyan natin. So let's go. Dandan. Ang ganda ng panahon ng init. Ang nipis pala ng daan. Ang hirap. Init. Sumama.
Ay, akin na!
First stop. Okay. So on the way na tayo sa pag-stayan natin. So andito na tayo sa mismong beach, which ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Ang init.
gusto niyo mag-scuba diving? Scuba diving, sir.
Ang ganda ng Boracay. So by the way, nasa Station 3 kami. Ang ganda. So mamaya try nating maligo. Ang ganda ng panahon. Andito na tayo sa Ocean Club. So dito tayo mag-stay for 3 days. So dito siya. Ayan siya. Ocean Club. So may sarili na siyang pool. Ito try natin yan mamaya. Ang ganda. Walang masyadong tao. Ang ganda ng panahon. Ang daming naliligo. Wala, gusto kong mag-scuba. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Coco Mama. So try natin. Let's go. Ang init. Bestseller nga ako.
Magganito rin po, may tune po. Meron po kami discount.
Ano ba tong etong... Yan na din yan.
Ito po yung bestseller po. For scoop, good for 2 person.
Okay.
Meron po siyang small size, 2 scoop lang po, pag solo person po.
Mm-mm.
So ano po yung size niya po? Yung
Sige, yan na.
Ganito rin po,
Oo.
4 scoop.
Mm-mm.
Thank you.
Ipili pa ba po ako kung anong ice cream yung kailangan?
Mag-mix na lang din
Oo.
po kayo.
Ano na lang? Oo, sige, mix na lang.
Thank you.
So, in-order na natin itong Coco Mama natin. And, ang sarap niya. Sobrang flavor nung ice cream, nung pandan at saka nung kanyang buko, coco na flavor. And yung mangga. And yung makapuno, it's giving. Sobrang refreshing. So, it's already 11 ng tanghali and naghahanap kami ng pwedeng kainan. So, let's go. Maglakad-lakad lang tayo. So, sasakay tayo.
Ay, ako na lang dito.
Wala ba dyan?
Ikaw dito ka na, ako dito. Buka sa una, kuya. Kuya R, ikaw na dun. Para ikaw na yung...
Bawal nga. Kasya ba?
Pwede ka naman, ako lang ang bawal. Hindi, sabi.
Hindi kasya pa. Mama.
Hello! Hello! Pwede po kung sa IG. Siyempre po.
Gusto niyo mag-activity center? Sige.
Ayoko. Hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo. Pero...
Hi, foods for dinner. Hi, foods monster.
matamis na yung panlasa ko kasi sa kumakain.
Ang daming bilihan dito. Sundan lang natin si ate. Ang mga souvenirs. So, nasa D-Mall na pala tayo. Hindi ko alam. Ang daming bilihan ng mga souvenirs. Pasalubong.
Ay, ito ba?
Kasi nandito tayo sa Ube Mama.
Ayun lang benta nila.
So, try natin.
Oo, 320 din.
Ha?
640
Mahal naman.
Vegan corn maha blanca ice cream.
Or isa lang.
Tigman lang natin, ate-ate na tayo.
640 dessert.
Kaya nga.
I-video mo yung paggawa.
Okay. So, try natin yung Ube Mama. Let's try!
Wemby mo, umiiyak.
May pellet po.
May palitaw talaga. And then with cornflakes. Is it good?
Lasang kakanin, ano?
Yes, may palitaw. Then ice cream, then ube. Then
Kaya nga.
cornflakes.
Sarap.
Sa tingin mo, ba't ka nakaupo dyan?
Nasanggat.
So it's 6:40 in the evening na and ang ganda guys. Look at the sunset. Ang ganda. So, 6:30 na ng gabi. So, naghahanap kami ng pwedeng kainan. So, let's go. Maglakad-lakad tayo. So, tapos na tayong mag-dinner. So, magkakape naman tayo. So, hanap tayo ng coffee shop.
Kaya dito mag-solo travel mo.
Oo.
DIY, madali din yan.
So, dito tayo sa Latte Coffee Cafe. Try natin. It's our day 2 here in Boracay. So, I'm with my mother.
Good morning!
So, today mag-breakfast muna kami bago mag-activity. So, mag-island hopping kami and water activities here in Boracay. So, see you there. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. So, I'm with my Ligaya family. So, pupunta na kami ng Station 1 para doon kami susunduin ng...
Sinasabihin kami ng ganun na. Lulubog kami ng tubig.
So, that's it. So, pupunta daw kami Bulag.
Ako ulit kasi, hirap makatulog. Ayun, sa Los Baños naman, sa ginawa ko rin. Hindi naman ako ginawan. Pagkakas talaga po. Hindi na nila pinadaan mo. Sa susunod kasama natin si Bebe. Si Bebe makalipay. Kaya sabi ko dito lang first birthday ko. Kaya sa mga party. Alam na ba kung boy or girl ko? Kali inday daw ang bakla. Bading daw, bading. Ikaw may lahi naman sabi niya. At kapag nandito ayan. Okay, tama muna. Pwede, sabi kayo. Ginusto mo yan.
Sino?
Bahala ko dyan, ginusto mo yan. Kasi Brian. Luminayi siya kasi kung sa bahay, wala namang ibang kasama.
Dalawa na. Wala pa makalisin mo?
Nakahintay pa ka ata sa ipang.
Kaya ba dati?
Thunder.
Ang bilis na. Hindi siya abot ng Pasko.
Hindi. Na naman. Last year naman yung nagsisimpas ko. Kasi bago na sila sa kanila. On vacation. Pero...
Bakit niya?
Ay, bakit yun?
Oo nga.
Wala ko. Good morning. Yes, my speaking. Aba. Aba. Ang dami na kami kuya. Nagpunta po kami sa Intright. Kuya sa banda na ito. Para may... Boracay Tropics. Aba. Okay. See you po. Thank you.
Tingnan mo kung hindi mo sinagot yan.
Alam ko kliyente kasi. 8:30. Exacto. Exacto 8:30 kasi.
Malayo ka ba?
Kasi tayo para kasi mali ka makapunta sa mismong yate.
Ah.
Pero yung dito, 8:30 dito. Sa yate. Dito. Ang ano? May date dito. Oh, sa yate tayo.
So, hindi ko alam kung nasaan tayo. So, nandito tayo sa activity area daw.
Tubig po
Ang daming tao.
Wala tayong tubig sa ano po, bangka. Ay, salim ako. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Ito, Red Wave. So, yung Red Wave yung ano natin. Magpa-facilitate ng water activity. Red Wave.
Ay, mental lang yung R.
Hangin sa lakas. We have our restaurant.
Sprint agad ako.
Ang daming tao.
Wala po muna tayo, ma'am.
Let's go!
Let's go guys! Today we are going to Maya. Bodyguard! Pupunta tayo sa yate.
Dami tao. Ganda!
Lahat yan guys, bangkangan na. Ano nga kuya, bangkangan natin yung lahat. VIP access.
May hila pa lang.
Ano ba yun? So ito na yung sasakyan namin papunta sa mismong...
Wow!
Hello.
Hello po. Ang ganda. Diyan.
Wala! Magkano ka?
Magano ka na? Live jacket na. So mag-live jacket muna tayo.
Ito kuya R, ganito. Ganda lang.
Parang sikip.
Hindi, hanggang doon lang naman tayo. So, yate, ibang naman ako. Ay, ako din.
Ang init.
Ganda lang ako. Siyempre yung braya. Nakadaon. Kasi malaki yun na. Yun yung may tambayan. Akala ko ate daw. Ay, ilang dito. Malaki yung lock table. Tapos may buka. Mas lahat daw. Sabi ka naman.
Okay ka lang?
Ay, tumiinit lang. Hindi na
Hello.
kailangan mo na ano. Balik ka na. Ito nga sa kilala.
Down, down. Down, 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 down.
So, natin yung play life jacket.
Sige ma'am, dalhin na lang.
Ito na yung red wave. Yan. So, dyan tayo the whole day.
Side by side lang po. Side by side lang po. Isa-isa lang. Yung life jacket natin sir, dalhin po. Sigan na po.
Ni hao. Bang plato? Ni hao. Init. Alis na kami.
Meron dito mama ko.
Morning, and it's nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you! Nice to meet you! And also we have here our big suction crew in here at the backside of our boat, and here on the front. Please say hi to them because they will be assisting you. We're beginning to help to give them a round of applause. Alright! So for this island having tour here at Red, we'll be having 4 points of activities. But before I dive into that, let me just bring something for everyone's safety. So may I have your attention, please? Alright, as you can see, we're almost 30 packs here on board. So at all times, you must maintain the good balance of our boat. So if you're seeing a lot of people going on this side, please consider going on this side. Is that clear? Alright, for those who want to use our comfort room, we have comfort room there, the back of our boat. That's on my right side as I face you guys. Please, while using our toilet and comfort room, don't throw your tissues and your napkins into the toilet bowl. Though we have provided a trash bin on the side of it. And for those who smoke, smoking includes electric cigarettes and fertilities, but you guys are not allowed to smoke. Well, at least on your tables, but we do have a designated smoking area. That's on the outside of our boat. That's on the back of our boat. You guys can only smoke there. Alright, as you can see there on the side, we have nets there. The purpose of that net is for picture taking and for relaxing only. You guys are not allowed to stay too much longer under the nets. And please bear in mind that our nets will only occupy a maximum capacity of 3 to 4 persons on each section of the net. So please, after you take pictures, maybe you can go back to your seat so other people can also take pictures on it. But during our transfer, we only limited people going on the nets. But if the boat is on still or staying still, you guys can go there for relaxing, as you do our activities there later. So what else? As you can see there on your table, you have your popcorn, your water, your juices that comes for free and unlimited. If you want to refill, please ask assistance from our ladies there at the back. Of course, our beautiful star right there, Miss Jenna, she'll be happy to assist you with your refill. But if you want something cold, of course, we have here cold beverage. 2, 3, make some noise! Alright, everybody, this is going to be your free time.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Thank you so much.
So first island natin is Crystal Cove Island. So hindi na tayo pababa kasi may bayad lang. So pero ito yung view niya. Ayan. Ang ganda ng panahon, mainit. Thank God. So wala iba yung mga kasama namin. Mga Basel.
Guys, as you can see there, that island is a crocodile island. So from others' perspective, it looks like a crocodile hanging down on the shoreline. But on this perspective, it looks like a drumstick. Or some fried chicken. So we're gonna stay here at least 40 to 50 minutes to do our snorkeling activities. For those who want to do snorkeling, we have there our life jackets and snorkeling masks. You guys can just grab any sizes that fits you. You can use an other activities. What happens to the microphone? Alright, so that is for free. But in case you guys lost it or drop it underwater, please let us know so we can retrieve it right away. Also, for those who want to do free diving, we have here the long fins and short fins at the back of our boat. That's also for free. Please, while using it, be extra careful, and once you drop it underwater, please let us know so we can retrieve it right away. And for free diving, of course, we have here free diving on board. For free diving master on board, we have here Mr. Wilmark and Mr. Tuto, and they will be the one assisting you for the free diving. Now for sliding and jumping, you guys can slowly go at the on our roof deck, and you can use the staircase there going on our second floor. Please, while doing jumping and sliding, always wear your life jackets with you for your safety. And also, as you can see there at the back of our boat, we have provided a yellow line at the back of our boat. Please, while doing those snorkeling activities, do not cross or get out of that yellow line. That is for your safety as well. Alright, before we finally start with our activities here, please stand up. Everybody stand up. Let's just do some exercises and stretching. Alright, let's go, stand up. Hindi tayo papatalo sa ganun grupo. We have our also dancing time now. Dito tayo. Okay, pakita natin what is the dancing is. Alright, please stand up. People there in the back, please stand up. Come forward. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so don't worry because we even hired a dancing instructor just for today. Let's welcome her in. Miss Divina. Palakpakan naman natin yes. With her minions, Divina and the minions. Alright, we have here our dancing instructor. Please follow them. If you guys are ready, put your hands up. Put your hands up and DJ hit the beat. Here, so before we do all our activities, please remove all your excessive
Sa Crocodile Beach, so let's try the water activities. So, try natin mag-snorkeling or pre-diving. Let's go! So, try natin. Shucks. Hey!
Lemon!
Na yun pala yung yung slide.
Hello. We are. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Guys.
Ang lalim.
Si Tayo kabado din sila doon.
Ayan, dyan ka na. Lautan namin. Sasilipin mo lang sa ilalim. Kagat.
So try natin mag-snorkeling. So ito lang tong ko. Let's go. Ang daming isda! Oh. Nakakatakot! Wait lang!
Okay, go.
Kala mo ang taas ha, kuya.
So guys, ang ganda oh. Look at the view. Ay. Guys, try natin magkayak. Pwede pa? May pila pa lang. Try namin magkayak. Papapicture tayo to. Ayan. Wala na. Dalawakan lang yun. Wala, tatlo kayo sa wala. Masakay tayo dun sa dilaw.
Oh, yo, sa silo.
Wala nang available. Pag nakakatakot. Ayaw mo ba? Sino kasama ko? Marco, ikaw. Dalawa. Wish me luck. Ito na siya.
Marunong ka lumakay, sir? Sergio? Marunong ka lumakay?
Ha?
Marunong ka lumakay?
Oo.
Hawakan mo muna ba yung GoPro?
Oops.
Hawak mo muna, sir.
Video. Naka-video to. Naka-video.
So it's lunch time. So lilipat muna kami ng... Tara na. Lilipat muna kami ng bangka para kumain. Then babalik kami dito. So para mag-continue yung activity. So let's go.
Logi kami. Sir, hawak ko. Sir, dandan bigla.
Depress. Tandaan mo ha, pag-review mo ha.
So naglalakad kami sa papuntang restaurant. Naglalakad kami papuntang restaurant. Oops. Ang ganda dito.
Happy birthday, Mama Emma! Happy birthday, Mama Emma! Number 9, we have here, Ma'am Grete! Happy birthday!
So, katatapos lang ng island hopping natin. So, umuwi muna tayo sa hotel para magpahinga and then later labas ulit tayo for the sunset.